Hello, John Shmorhan here, president of AgroGeneration. We're here in Kharkiv Oblast at the Cheremushnya farm, one of the land companies. This is a field of 144 hectares of hybrid corn. We're here with Serhiy Barachny, General Director of Lawn Farm. Behind us is corn. Serhiy, what is the harvest this year?
На данном поле, где мы находимся, урожайность кукурузы составляет в пределах 10 тонн с гектара.
So Serhiy is telling us in this field we're growing 10-ton corn. Let's take a quick look at it. You can see this is beautiful corn grown in Ukraine, non-GMO. Corn is a high-value crop that AgroGeneration grows year upon year. I'm very proud to see this year's harvest, not just in terms of yield, but in terms of profitability.